Hey, Alec Garcia from Garcia Co Jewelers here, and if you're looking for custom jewelry design, we can help. Maybe that means you have a very specific vision for a particular piece already in mind and you just need someone to help you bring it to life. We can help with that. Sometimes that means you just know you want something really personal and unique that doesn't exist anywhere else. You don't know what that is, but you'd like to work with a designer to help sort through some ideas and begin that design process from scratch. We can help with that too. And sometimes that means you want to just take a simple classic design and put a couple little twists on it, and we do that all the time as well. Whatever it is when it comes to custom jewelry design, we have been the Four Corners' most trusted jewelry design center for over 30 years, and we can't wait to help bring your custom jewelry to life as well. So if you're wondering how that process works, it's very simple. Step one is meeting with our designer for an initial free consultation. We'll go over, all of the inspiration stuff that's behind your piece, whether that's photos, whether that's memories that you have that you're trying to commemorate through a piece of jewelry. Whatever it is, our designer wants to hear all of your source material, your inspiration, your ideas, and begin bringing it to life with a simple hand-drawn sketch that will begin to visualize your piece of jewelry. Again, that step is free, so if you're ready to get started, don't hesitate to contact us and make a time to meet with our designer. Once that initial concept sketch is done, the next step is visualizing your design through computer-aided design or CAD design. It's a beautiful full 3D rendered modeling, and using our state-of-the-art design software, we can change metal colors, we can change gemstone types and shapes. There's so many different things that you can visualize in this step of the design process where you get to go back and forth with our designer, make adjustments, try different things until we settle on a design that you love. Once we settle on a design that you're thrilled with, our designer will give you an exact quote on what it'll cost to bring that piece to life. And then the third step is production. We cast your design in beautiful precious metal, we set it with the gemstones of your choosing, and of course we put it through a rigorous final check to make sure everything is up to Garcia quality. Not only is it a beautiful piece, but it's a well-made piece that's going to stand the test of time that you can wear and enjoy for many, many years to come. The custom jewelry design process is fun and it's easy and it's rewarding. There really is no feeling like putting on that one-of-a-kind piece that represents something unique and personal about you for that very first time. If you're ready to get started with your piece of custom design jewelry, reach out to us. Give us a call, text us, or email us, and we'll get a time set up with our designer where we can begin bringing your design to life.